Welcome back, friends! Thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting the channel. Let's dive right in! Cells of bacteria, algae, and fungi are surrounded by a rigid cell wall.
Yes, and higher plants are too, besides the plasma membrane.
Cells of bacteria, algae. It is not found in animal cells.
It differs struck bacteria and eukaryotic membrane.
Cells of bacteria, algae. It is not flanked by small peptides,
which provides rigidity, shape, and protection from osmotic pressure.
In bacteria, it is composed of polysaccharide, cross-linked by small peptides, which provides rigidity, shape, and protection from osmotic pressure. Cell wall not only determines the cell shape, but also prevents cell bursting, shape caused due to osmotic pressure. Gram-positive bacteria have a thick cell wall with the single plasma membrane. In contrast, gram-negative bacteria have a thin cell wall surrounded by a dual plasma membrane. Cell wall continuously grows
and changes its shape
as bacteria grows and divides. Structurally, the bacterial cell wall is a sturdy covalent shell of linear peptidoglycan chain. Commonly used antibiotics are known to inhibit this cross-linking of peptidoglycan strands and interfering bacterial growth. In eukaryotes, it is primarily made up of polyacarides.
It also helps in cell-cell interaction and provides mechanical strength
and protection from infection. That's all for today, friends. Keep asking questions, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned!